Hey guys, this is a update. Recently, I moved to a new location and I've been busy organizing and preparing the job to continue working on the projects. I recently put all my lights again. I also have these boxes here. It's an CNC, a new bike that I bought, and these are the materials for building the table for that CNC. I have plans to do the hydraulic from scratch and cutting all the pieces, custom pieces for my projects. So subscribe to see all those new videos. And here are my projects finished.